Andy and Ben had the same number of cards. Andy gave 96 cards to his friends and Ben gave 44 cards to his cousins. At the end, Ben had twice as many cards left as Andy. How many cards did each of them have at first? Alright, so we draw a model for this for Andy and Ben. They each have the same number of cards at first. So we can just duplicate this one here. Exactly the same number of cards. Now Andy is giving away a little bit more cards as compared to Ben. So we take away a little bit more for Andy. This is 96 cards here, as compared to Ben, which is just about 44 cards. And at the end of the day, Ben will have thrice as many cards left as Andy, which means this section right here will be 3 units, and over here will be 1 unit. Okay, and if you continue the dotted line downwards, the difference between 3 and 1 unit is actually 2 units, which occupies this section right here. Okay, so 3 minus 1, that will be 2 units. So again, this is 3 units, this is 1 unit. This section right here will be 2 units, which is the difference between 96 and 44. Okay, so 2 units will be equals to 96 minus 44, which will be 52. And then proceed to find 1 unit. 52 divided by 2, that will be 26. And then to find how many cards did each of them have at first, you can use Andy's 1 unit plus 96, or you can even use Ben's. Okay, so 1 unit is 26 plus 96. Answer 122.